Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2013 Ford F-150 FX4. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have that nice tow hitch, we got rear park sensing, we do got a backup camera, we do have a nice white canopy on here, which adds a nice clean look to the vehicle, mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board, turn light indicator mirrors and tow mirrors as well, mud flaps on the front. We do have a hood deflector, two tow hooks, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, got 2 cup holders right there, fans, 110 volt outlet, and a 12 volt. And of course, if you need additional space, you can lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side, now we can see here we have mostly powered seats, with that being the manual and this manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space. You have your parking brake right there and light adjusters on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 168,719 kilometers. Looking at our steering wheel, we have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. You have your volume, playback, play forward, media, and phone. Cruise control, and your toggle for your screen here, which you can then go for information, settings, truck apps, fuel economy, trip A and B, and gauge modes. Looking over here, you have a nice leather up gear shift, speed adjusters, tow and haul mode, as well as cup holders, more storage here. You have a sink as well. Nice leather wrap center console with tons of storage down underneath. You have your climate controls just right there, volume, tune, toggle for your screen, as well as your CD, hazards, airbags. We have our trailer brake, rear locking differential, and four-wheel drive. 12 volt outlet, little storage cubby. We got a nice little storage cubby above as well. Storage below, and we do have a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And you have your hill and traction just right there. We do have a radio, CD, Sirius, aux, phone, menu, and other settings, as well as a nice little keypad on the side. And we do have a backup camera that shows up right here. Let me just switch it right there for you. And you can see behind you, which is all pretty convenient. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD20265A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.